Hello friends, welcome to Days in Life. Friends, in last 1 year because of COVID, we have been keep on talking about the business loss because of COVID. As such, industry is losing. But when you look at more closely, everything is not losing or everybody is not losing. There are some gainers also when we analyze things more closely. For example, if you look at segment point of view, the cardiac segment is a big gainer in last 1 year. Cardiac segment in last 1 year COVID time has grown by 12.5%, which previous year was growing around 11%. So there is a almost 1.5% growth increase in the cardiac segment in last 1 year. And in the same time, if you look at IPM as such, which has grown almost by 2%, which used to grow by close to 10%. So where IPM growth has gone down by say 8%, cardiac growth has increased by 1.5%. So practically almost you can say 10% kind of swing overall you can see. Diabetic segment, which is growing by over 7%, and that also is doing much better than the IPM, or you can say overall good growth story, and I'm sure diabetic will grow much better in the coming time also. Not only that, there is certain products. If you look at a product like Favipiravir is almost 450 crore market now, which was nowhere, it was also very negligible it was earlier, now coming out under top selling brand, and probably because of that Fabiflu as a single brand is close to 300 crore and Glenmark as a company showing more than 15% growth. Remdesivir, which was nowhere, is now more than 700 crore product, and company like Cipla, company like DRL, company like Hetero, company like Zydus has made a good brand out of that. And there are other antivirals, or can say other companies also. So there are certain set of the product which start selling. There are certain set of product which start you can so goes to low selling product. Look at multivitamins. Multivitamin sale has gone up, particularly vitamin C. Azithromycin, despite the fact antibiotics are degrowing, azithromycin is growing by 23%. Now it's close to 1,000 crore market now. Ivermectin, which was nowhere, now close to 100 crores with the 235% growth. Doxycycline, which was degrowing, now start growing and making it big. So there are a lot of big gainers are there. Same way, the company which was making HCQS or hydroxychloroquine, company like Ipca, which has shown a growth of more than 11% against the IPM growth of almost 2%. And not only Ipca, there is other company who were marketing HCQS, they made a big money out of this. So in the same time, there has been gainer, there has been loser. The companies or the professionals or the brand, whatever you say, who has recognized the trends early, who understood things early, they make the changes and they start gaining. Even if you more closely see the last 3-month trend or last 6-month trend, last 6 months say cardiac segment is growing by 13%. Last 6 months, multivitamin segments, or you can say VMN segment, is growing by over 13%. So things are looking up. Same way, if you look at companies wise graph also, the some company who were the little loser in the earlier month of the COVID now start gaining in last 5-6 months. Or you can say some division start gaining. COVID is not going to go away at least 1 more year. Now we are mid of the COVID crisis. We have 1 year behind and 1 year ahead of us. And it is our decision now what approach we take, whether we keep on making the crying that we are going to lose because of COVID, or we make changes our strategies now, or make it more suitable that post this COVID era we gain also. The choice lies before us. There is always opportunity. As I mentioned, some companies, some professionals, some brands, some molecules are growing and some are not. The post-COVID is not going to be same as the pre-COVID was, and even the COVID period is not same as the pre-COVID was. So if we keep on thinking the same way or keep on doing the same way which we were doing pre-COVID, now or even later, we are going to be loser. So we need to analyze the whole situation and more so look at the trend of last 3 months or 6 months, and will be giving good enlightenment to us, and we can also emerge as a good gainer in the coming year of the COVID. I hope this will make you think about your analysis and make better plan for year 21-22.